I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. This is Forex No Deposit Nation, and I'm glad you found this video. And today I'll be showing you guys how to claim a 80k account. And for those who have registered for this account, you just need to pay attention so I can explain more details regarding this account, right? And what you can see on the screen is my Telegram channel where I do up latest no deposit updates, including free funded account and various challenge based account, right? And a link will be available in the description of this video, and it would also be pinned in the comment section, so you can use any of them and you'll be directed to my Telegram channel. And in this channel you'll be finding the link to claim this particular account also, and various other no deposit accounts, including various free funded accounts, right? And even though you are seeing this channel for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to other traders so that this video can get to the people who need this kind of account, and so that you can start trading in 2026, right? And showing on the screen is the registration process which have been completed for those who have registered for this account. But for those who haven't registered for this account, you just need to pay attention. I'll be explaining the sign up processes and more processes that you need to know about this account. For those who have registered for this account, as I told you guys that after about 3 to 5 days you'll be receiving this kind of email sent to your email address, the registered email address. And once you receive this kind of email, it will be containing your credentials, your login credentials, which you are going to be using to access the 80k challenge based account, right? As I told you guys, it's the contest based account. And once you see these details sent to your email, it will be including your login details, your password and the server details, right? And you'll be trading this account using the web version. You won't be using your MT4 account or your MT5 account to trade this version. You'll be using their official RT Trader account to trade this 80k challenge based account. And I'll be explaining how to log in into this app. So you'll be finding a particular little link sent to your email containing your login and your password, and after that, this link, you will be clicking on this particular link sent to your email also, right? So once you click on it, you will be directed to this interface showing on the screen. Now you can see what I clicked on. If the server is showing other country server, you just have to change it to your African server, right? That is to change the continent server. And once you've done that, you'll be copying the same password sent to your email and your login details. And once you copy these two details, you just have to input it and then sign in into this account, right? And in case you can sign in into this account easily, you can just change your browser and make use of another browser, because you might have a little bit difficulty while trying to sign in. So you can just change your browser or you refresh your browser and you'll be able to sign in into this account with the 80k, as you could see it on the screen, right? And once you receive this account, all you have to do is wait for a couple of more days for this account to commence. As I told you guys, that one amazing part of this kind of account is that you get a chance to participate in this kind of account on a monthly basis, right? And you stand a chance to be part of the top 1 to 150 who will be getting a real prop firm account for you to trade in 2026, right? And as you could see more interface about this account, you could see the quote, you could see the home, you could see the chart, you could see the position section, the history section and the account dashboard. You could see all showing on the screen. You could see the start date also, and you could see the total drawdown showing on the screen, the minimum drawdown, the daily drawdown, and you could see the 80k account itself showing on the screen. And this applies to those who have already registered this account previously. That is from a few weeks ago for those who have registered for this account. And for the new users, I'll be taking you through the sign up process. So let's go straight to the sign up process as straightforward as possible without wasting our time. So once you come to this sign up section, you'll be filling in your first name, your surname, your email address, right? So once you fill in your email address, you'll be selecting the country where you are residing also. So once you fill it up all, you see your personal details showing on the screen. You have to accept these various terms and conditions. You can see the general terms and conditions. I agree with these general terms and conditions. So after accepting these first, second terms and conditions, until you get to the third terms and conditions, you could see I agree to the context conditions there. So once you agree and then you click on register for an account, you could see confirm email address, right? So on this section, you have to confirm your inputted email address, right? So once you click on confirm email address, you will be sent a direct link to your email and you'll be following this link procedurally, right? So before you follow this link, you could see I am not a robot. So you'll be clicking on the reCAPTCHA showing on the screen just to confirm your account. And once you click on this reCAPTCHA showing on the screen, you just have to click on confirm, right? So that your account can be confirmed and will be moved to the next section that comes with this account. And I want you all to know that to actually proceed on this kind of 80k challenge based account, you won't be needing a KYC, but later on to validate and claim the account, if you are part of those who will be getting this account from maybe top 1 to 150, you might be needing your KYC later on. But to register and do these processes, you might not be needing it. And you could see we are just 50% done on this registration process, and you could see one more step to confirm your email address, right? So what what you can see on the screen is if email doesn't show up, don't worry, you can fill up the registration form again. What this simply means is that in case you didn't receive any email or link sent to your email address, you can just register for this account so that you can receive the necessary details in your email address. And I also want you all to know that in case you get to your email address and you didn't see what I'm having on the screen, the cycled section, right? In case you didn't see it, you can head straight to your spam folder or your junk folder, right? Just to check if you are going to be receiving any email before you proceed to register for a new account, right? Just to re-register for this account, right? You can just check your spam folder and check your junk folder, right, before you proceed. And if you can find them there, then you proceed, and you could see your registration is completed. We are 100% done, and you could see congratulations, your participation in the contest is confirmed. And once all this process is done and you are 100% done with your registration process, you can just click on back to the web, right? So once you go back to the web, you can just expect a notification in your email in about 2 to 3 days if you haven't received any of these details, so you can be receiving your login credentials to trade with this 80k account. And I'll be talking about this reward and terms and conditions that comes with this account. As you could see, all winners are our standard trading program, not funded account. All wins rather are our standard trading program, not funded account. And you can see the first place, what will be going to the first place, a 320k copper account. That to show you that is the pro firm account, down to the 150, right? Number 150 will be getting just a 5k account. And that is one of the amazing part of trading with this account. As I told you guys, that you even get a chance to participate in this kind of account on a monthly basis, and you could see your account credentials will be delivered to you via email few hours before the start of this contest account. That's to show you that you just need to wait patiently before you be receiving these credentials, and in most cases you'll be receiving these credentials 2 or 3 days after signing up and doing all the details, because that is how a lot of you will be receiving these credentials, right, before the commencement of this account. And immediately after watching this video and you've gotten all the terms and conditions needed to get this account, I would love you guys to head straight to get this account, to register for this account, so that you don't miss out on this kind of opportunity, because this account will be starting in about 4 or 5 days time, this particular section of this account. And I want you to pay attention to this particular terms and conditions which I'm going to be talking about, because I did request for this terms and conditions from the supporters. I'll be explaining some basic things, and the basic questions which you guys might want to ask me in the comment section, I'll be answering most of them there, and you can also go over these terms and conditions yourself so you can have the full details. And you can see when will I receive the login credentials to my account. As I've already explained it previously, that you'll be receiving it in about 2 or 3 days after your registration, or in most cases you'll be receiving it 24 to 48 hours before the commencement of this account. And another question which you might want to ask is, can I have multiple accounts trading with this 80k challenge based account? You are not advised to have multiple accounts, even you are not advised to have just 2 accounts, 3 accounts. If detected, all your accounts will be breached and you won't be able to have access to this account for that particular month, and you would have to wait for the coming month. So it strictly violates their rules and regulations. You are not allowed to have about 2 to 3 trading accounts. And you can see the registration information. All information in the registration form must be filled out truthfully and correctly. That's to show you that once you are filling in this information, make sure you fill in your correct name, your correct surname, your email address, registered email address, and other important details, so that you don't have any future issue. Maybe you are part of those who be getting these amazing prizes, right? So all your details must be filled in correctly. And you can see what type of account is used for the trading. You guys already know that it's a 80k account, and you could see participants have access to the same type of account. That shows you that everyone is going to have access to the same type of account, not that some people will be having access to a 10k account, some will having access to a 50k account. Everyone is having access to a 80k account. And you could see, can I participate again if I get eliminated? Yes, you can participate again, but not in that particular month. You would have to wait for the coming month to be able to participate again, not that particular month. Since you have violated the rules of that particular month, you won't be able to continue it until the end of that particular session, and you have to wait for the coming section, right? And you could see more details about when does the competition start and how long does it last. You could see the competition start on the first day of the calendar month following the registration, and last until the last calendar month of the day. That's to show you that this kind of account starts the first Monday of the month, the opening Monday of the month. This account will start. That's to show you that this challenge based account will quick start properly until the last day of the month. And you can see what are the rules that comes with this account. You can see the daily drawdown is simply 5%, the maximum drawdown is simply 10%. The minimum trade that will be open on this account is simply 10%, right? And you could see overnight holding position is simply accepted on this kind of account, and you could see weekend holding position is also accepted on this 80k challenge based account, and you could see trading during news is also accepted. That will show you that you can trade during the CPI news, the NFP news, you can trade during news session, right? This doesn't violate the rule in any way. News trading is simply accepted on this kind of account, and you could see more details about it. You could see the lot size limit, right? You could see it's a no, and you could see the required take profit or stop loss, right? And what this no simply means is that you can decide to set a take profit and a stop loss depending on your trading condition. If you wish to place a take profit rather or a stop loss, you won't be penalized for either using it or not using it, right? That is what it simply means to say no, right, on the section, right? And once all the details is done and you receive your login credentials into your email, as I've already previously explained it for those who have signed up already about some weeks ago, right, you'll be receiving this kind of email. And once you receive this kind of email containing your login credentials, in this same email that you're going to be receiving, you'll be seeing a particular link that will be redirecting you to the web version of where you'll be able to trade this account without using your MT4, your MT5 account. You'll be using their dedicated official section portal to trade this account. And once you input your login details, your password into this account successfully, you'll be seeing your 80k account right on your screen. As I told you guys, I just have to wait for this account to commence starting of the beginning of every month until the last day of the month, so you can start with this account and start competing for amazing prizes for prop firm account, right? So these are all you need to know about this account, and you can see more details about the chart which I already explained previously, and you can see where your positions will be, your 80k account will be, your history where you can check your account history, and your account information, your positions which I already talked about, your quote and the home. And you can see the interface is somewhat similar to the trading view interface. That shows you that once you are familiar with the trading view interface, you will be able to move this chart easily without having any difficulties. This is how you really need to know about getting this 80k challenge based account. And if you know you are seeing my channel for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to other traders so that you can start trading with various pre-funded accounts, including no deposit account, as I will bring it to you guys regularly. I hope you guys have a wonderful and lovely trading day.